Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to fix screen color tint on this device. Let's start by opening settings, and now let's go to display and brightness. Now let's go to eye care section right here, and please make sure that eye comfort and sleep option is disabled. Additionally, please make sure that eye protection is disabled, because if it's on, your screen will turn yellowish. So please make sure that everything here is off. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.